Okay. Oh my God. What is that? Drums?
Drums. Holy mackerel.
Drums. That's just what I wanted.
Hold it up. Let's see what it. Okay. Sweet, dude. Peyton. Alright, hold it up. Let's see what it is.
I'm going to do that first.
You're going to do that first. That has to make Uncle Andy super proud. You're such a goofy. Wow.